probably. The usual. The usual, just things and stuff and junk. Okay, rice. Stop what you're doing. Make some rice. Don't let this go on any longer. Wow. So Jessa, the issue that I have with your suggestion of wearing adult diapers instead of having to go to the bathroom is that then you have to change your diaper. Your adult diaper. So it really wouldn't solve the problem of like having to go to the bathroom. It would just change the urgency of which you had to go to the bathroom. And would come with a lot of other potential issues and growiness. So, I appreciate the suggestion of trying to fix my issue of having to go to the bathroom, but I really don't feel like it is a problem that needs solving. Personally, if you feel differently, that's fine, and I can respect that. But for me, that's going to be a hard pass. Thanks, though. So you got some new some camping spice containers. And we got them filled up. So much fun. I'm so excited. I'm excited and they're not even for me. Having to go to the bathroom is the worst aspect of being human. I disagree. I really don't feel like having to. But it's not the worst aspect of being human. I mean, yeah, I think everyone would skip having to go to the bathroom.
I don't know about that.
Really? You think someone is like, oh man, I just love having to drop everything I'm doing and going and peeing?
Thank God. It's a miracle.
Yeah, I never met anyone like that.
Being a vampire and then being is the no bodily functions part. I don't want to live forever, but I would love to.
I'd want to live forever.
I don't. That sounds boring eventually. Actually, it sounds boring real quick.
Well, so I mean the thing is that like
everyone around you would die.
So? You'd make new people.
But that's so sad.
Or just turn them into vampires. Or just turn them into vampires and then they don't die.
But then you're stuck with them. There's commitment either way.
I mean, it's a very large world.
What if they're stuck to you?
Why would they be stuck to you?
Because you turn them into. So then, like, how do I exist without you? Because now I'm alone in this world forever.
Is that how you feel about your mother though?
No.
Because she created you.
Maybe.
I can't leave you. You created me.
How dare you?
You get pee shy. It's frustrating. I
Pee shy.
don't close the bathroom door when I pee.
Not pee shy.
Which anyone who's ever been spent any amount of time in my house knows that. I don't close bathroom doors. I don't get pee shy.